It's a case that caught national attention. All eyes were on Vallow during her court appearance in Idaho, where she faced charges of child abandonment of her two children who are still missing. Our Blanca Cobb broke down Vallow's body language in court. Blanca, there is a lot to talk about, so let's jump right in. What stood out to you the most about this?
For a mom who's being charged, having some level of involvement in the disappearance of her children, she came in pretty smug. She's very confident. And if you look here on your screen, you will notice that when she comes into the courtroom, she's smiling. She looks at one attorney, she's chatting, she looks at the other attorney. And you'll notice that she's smiling. She's just getting settled in, and she looks very relaxed. If you look at her shoulders, she's just relaxed, leaning over, smiling to her attorney. When you see behavior that doesn't seem to fit, you have to ask yourself why. You can't say automatically, well, I wouldn't act that way, so someone else shouldn't act that way. But you need to ask yourself, what's different? Why would they be acting a non-typical way?
What did you notice about the children's grandparents?
Their body language was completely different. And what you'll notice is that they're very serious. They're expressionless, they're motionless. There's one time that the grandfather does pick up his arm to look at it. More than likely, that is just a situation where he's feeling a little uneasy. What are they there for? You have to think they're there for a case about their missing grandchildren.
They look concerned.
They do look concerned.
Yeah.
Very different from the mom.
Yeah. So what about when Vallow was leaving the courtroom? What did you notice?
Well, you'll notice here immediately when the judge set the bail at $1 million, you'll notice that she closes her eyes just briefly. And the reason you close your eyes is when you dislike something that you're hearing, something that you're seeing, it's like blocking it, and then you'll open it. And then as she's walking out the courtroom, she just still has just this pep in her step. You'll notice, and her chin is up, and walking out with your chin up is a sign of almost defiance or confidence, and some people would even call it cockiness. And she has a smirk on her face. Again, it's not typical behavior that you would expect of a mother who's being charged with a crime against her children.
Very, very interesting. Blanca, thank you so much. If you want to continue this conversation with Blanca, just head over to her Facebook page, give her a like, and right on her timeline,